Students, today we are going to learn second unit of English, that is bird's eye view, looking more closely at animals. Activity 1. This unit is about looking more carefully at animals. In this unit we have to learn carefully about animals. Look carefully at the picture. Here is a picture given. We have to look this picture carefully. List as many things as you can, and we have to find things that we can see in this picture. Here is tree, branches of tree, nest and bird we can find. How many things did you list? We list 4 things. Share your list with classmates. We have to share our list with classmate. List one extra thing you learn from a classmate. And we have to list new word that we have learned from our friend. There's an animal hiding in the picture. What kind of animal is it? Here is a bird hiding in this picture. This is a hummingbird. Activity 2. In unit 1, you looked at this picture as art. In unit 1, we have learned this picture as art. The puzzle fox is also a puzzle. The title of this picture is The Puzzled Fox. It is a puzzle. There are many strange faces and animals hiding in this picture. इन उस पिक्चर में बहुत सारे जो एनिमल्स और एंड जो स्ट्रेंज फेसिस है वो हाइड हुए हैं. This picture was published long ago in 1872. और ये पिक्चर है वो 1872 में पब्लिश्ड हुआ था. In the picture are 3 birds that are not hidden. उस पिक्चर में 3 birds है जो हाइड नहीं हुए हैं. They are in the tree on the left side. और उस पिक्चर में लेफ्ट साइड ट्री पे बैठे हुए हैं ये 3 birds. They are passenger pigeons. जो बर्ड्स है ट्री पे बैठे हैं वो है पैसेंजर pigeons. Passenger pigeons were once the most common bird on the planet. और पैसेंजर pigeons है वो मोस्ट कॉमन बर्ड है. These birds sadly can no longer be found in the real world. कि अभी अफसोस है हमें कि ये जो बर्ड्स है पैसेंजर पिजन्स है उसको आप रियल वर्ल्ड में नहीं देख पाते. They are extinct कि वो मर चुके हैं. Loss of forest and too much hunting caused them to die. और बहुत जो फॉरेस्ट है वो लॉस हो गया है, कम हो गया है और हम ज़्यादा हंटिंग करते हैं, ज़्यादा शिकार करते हैं, उसकी वजह से वो मर चुके हैं. द लास्ट नॉन पैसेंजर पिजन वॉज नेम्ड मार्था. जो लास्ट बचा हुआ पैसेंजर पिजन था उसका नाम था मार्था. मार्था डाइड इन अ जू इन अमेरिका इन 1940. जो मार्था नाम का जो पैसेंजर पिजन था वो अमेरिका के एक जू में 1914 में उसकी डेथ हुई थी. लुक केयरफुली एट द पिक्चर द पजल फॉक्स. वर्क अलोन टू फाइंड एंड सर्कल एस many animals and faces as you can. When you have found as many as you can, count the animals and faces and record the numbers here. Here is the picture, the puzzle fox. We have to look this picture carefully and we have to find animals and faces, and on that we have to circle, and then after we have to count how many animals and how many faces we have found. Okay, so myself, I found here 6 animals such as wild dog, deer, wolf, tiger, and bridal horses and elephant. And I found 10 faces. Thank you.